Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Facebook account on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Facebook account on your phone, first open up the Facebook app on your phone and make sure to be logged into the account which you want to delete. And with that being said guys, in order to proceed to delete your account, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the menu or the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that menu or the three-lined icon, and from over here guys, on the menu section of your Facebook profile at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the settings or the gear icon available for us. Tap on that settings or the gear icon. And over here guys, in order to proceed to delete our Facebook account, we'll be required to tap on the meta account center of our Facebook account. And from over here guys, in order to delete your account, scroll down and you can see there is the personal details option available for us. Tap on that personal details option just below the account. And after landing on this page guys, at the bottom of the list you can see there is the account ownership and control option available for us. Tap on that account ownership and control, where you can see the deactivation and delete option available for us. Tap on that deletion option and choose the account which you want to be deleted, which is our Facebook account. And after that guys, over here you'll be required to choose either deactivate your account or delete your account, or we will be proceeding to delete our Facebook account. So let's tap on the delete account over here and tap on continue, and tap on continue again. But you can back up any of the pages or you are on if you want to from over here, and choose your reason to delete your account, and then tap on continue after choosing your reason. And again, you can go through all of these options provided by Facebook thoroughly in order to keep your messenger activated or not, save your posts on archive, download your Facebook information. After going to all of these options, tap on continue, but I'll not be doing any of this. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your password. And after entering your password guys, simply tap on the continue option available over here, and then your Facebook account will be deleted. And there guys, this is how you delete your Facebook account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.